Now let's talk about some strategies that will be useful for taking multiple choice tests. First, read the question carefully and think of an answer before you see the answer choices. Then, read to see if your answer is there. If your answer is not there, reread the question, then the choices. Eliminate choices one by crossing any out that are obviously wrong. If you are stumped on a word, dissect it for clues. Think about the meaning of the prefix or suffix, or compare it to other words. Don't spend too much time on any single question. If you're struggling, skip it and come back to it. Sometimes questions with answer choices of all of the above or none of the above take longer. Skip those and come back to them. Keep an eye on the clock to give yourself time to revisit the questions that you left blank. Don't second guess yourself. Your first instinct is usually right. Unless you're absolutely sure that your first answer was wrong, don't change it.